camera. Format. Okay. Oh, confirm. Okay. Careful, careful, careful. Sinner. Imperial. Gimbal mode. Allow upward rotation. No. Safety. Looks good to go. Alright. Now. Video. 2.7K. 24.
Home point updated.
Minus EV. Compass calibration required. Okay. Compass calibration. Rotate. Why don't we rotate twice? Just to make sure. Okay. 360 vertical. Okay, very good. Back into the shade. Just turn on the camera. Turn on that camera. 2.7K. Okay, we are recording. Okay, let's go up. Take off.
Take off.
So far,
Home
so
point
good.
updated.
Looks like the top of the church is only 60 feet. And we'll go a bit more. 70 feet. I'm going to take it down a bit. Let's check the height of the 58 feet. Okay. Bring the camera down. So I'm higher than any obstruction. Okay. Let's bring it down. Can I see it? I can't see it. I cannot see it. Take it up. Why can I not see it? That's unbelievable. Okay. Why can I not see it? I don't believe it. The wind is really buffeting it. Well, let's take it up. Gimbal motor overheated. That's not good. Huh. Gimbal motor is overheating. Why? Okay. Let's take it up. Nice. All right, let's bring it down. On 20, on a 10. Take it down to 80 feet. I still have full control, even though I can't see it. "97 feet, that's too high. Take it down to 80 feet. But we certainly don't want to run into it. Back it up, back it up, back it up. Let's try to back it up, back it up, back it up. What is that black stuff? Gimbal is overheating. Huh. Overloaded. Alright. Take it up. 90 feet. Okay, that's safe.